So today we're going to talk about how to dial in your brand new sprinkler system, make sure you're getting proper coverage, and make sure that you're watering enough to get the right amount of water down for your lawn. Let's get started. So as you can see behind me, he's done a really good job at spreading out this topsoil, getting it as smooth as he possibly can. He's got a 36-inch landscape rake over here that's just been going to town. So the next step here is to get the sprinklers adjusted, and now is a good time to do that for a couple reasons. First thing is you can make sure that you're getting the right spray pattern, of course. You can dial those in. You can make sure that you're getting the right amount of coverage because you've got a blank canvas here that will show you exactly where the sprinklers are hitting, and then you can adjust off of that. And then at the same time, the water is going to help kind of compact this soil and help it settle in a little bit. So we're knocking out a lot of things with just a few easy steps. And then I think 2 days from now, we're going to have sod going down. So lots going to happen here. We're going to make sure that we're ready for that, and we're going to get this done. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is just go through each of these heads, make sure that the spray pattern, the turning radius is dialed in, and then we'll be able to tell, hopefully, as we do that, what kind of coverage we're getting, because the dirt will get wet. And so wherever it's not wet, obviously it's not gonna be getting covered. And then once the sod is down, we're gonna bring the empty chicken cans out, and then we'll be able to measure how long it takes to get a ½ inch of water. And then he can set his sprinkler controller, all of that. He can get that all dialed in and set up. So here we go. Okay, so as you can see behind me, everything is dark, which means we've got it dialed in. We're getting really good coverage. Now, once the grass is down, we'll be able to put out the chicken cans and see just how long it takes to get a ½ inch of water. He can schedule that cycle to run that long twice a week in the spring and the fall, 3 times a week in the summer. So with new sod, of course, there's going to be a different watering strategy to establish the grass, but once he's settled in, once everything's established, that's how it's going to go. But for now, everything is dialed in really good. We do have an idea of a couple of low spots that we might be able to address that really aren't that bad, but the biggest issue is over here at the corner where everything slopes this way. It all comes towards us here. So as you can see, this is where it all wants to go. So we're gonna think on this. If you have any ideas, leave them in the comments. So that's the issue for now, which really isn't that big of a deal, I don't think. I feel like the grass is really gonna help a lot with the way the water sits. So should be in good shape, and I think he's ready for grass. So we're gonna come back here in a couple days. We're gonna prep it. We're gonna break out the spiker spreader, and we're gonna get the X start down, and then we're gonna just be jamming. So that's gonna go ahead and do it for tonight. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.